Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming physical connections. Check each monitor's port type and your computer's outputs. Plug power in, then connect with a native cable, HDMI, or display port so you avoid adapters when possible. If you need an adapter, use one rated for your resolution and 60Hz. Once connected, open Display Settings and identify displays. Choose a primary screen. Make sure scaling is appropriate for readability, because consistent DPI prevents window sizing issues later on. Now focus on layout and performance. In display settings, drag screens to match their physical placement so the mouse moves naturally. Set each monitor to its native resolution and appropriate scaling. This keeps text sharp across screens. Check refresh rates, 60Hz or higher, and apply. Then open your graphics control panel to confirm multi-monitor mode, adjust color profiles, and enable hardware acceleration for smoother video playback. Once configured, test by dragging a window across. It should move without. Finish by customizing how you use both screens. Set taskbar behavior and enable window snapping for faster workflow, and create shortcuts for moving windows between displays. If color accuracy matters, run a quick calibration and save a profile for each monitor. If something goes wrong, follow a clear troubleshooting path. Reboot, reset cables, update graphics drivers, and swap cables to isolate hardware faults. If a monitor stays blank, try changing the input source. Often the simplest fix will restore your dual monitor setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.